Hello friends, subscribe my channel to get latest video update and tap the like button.
Electromagnetic effect. Before discussing the electromagnetic effect and its definition, we should know certain important points in electromagnetic effect. Here, the polarization is induced in the substrate with double or triple bond. Means this electromagnetic effect is shown in the compound who are having double or the triple bond. Next is electrophilic reagent. The presence of electrophilic reagent will only initiate the electromagnetic effect. So here you can see the example. This is the molecule with double bond A double bonded with B. This is the electrophile or electrophilic reagent indicated with plus E, and this is the electromagnetic effect where A gets positive charge and B gets negative charge because of the presence of this electrophilic reagent. Next point, when triple or double bond is exposed by an electrophilic reagent, a pair of bonding electrons transferred completely from one atom to another atom. So here you can see there in this molecule the double bond is present due to this electrophilic reagent. This is the complete transfer of electron pair. Here you can see the B got the negative charge because the electrons which are present in the double bond move towards the B. So because of that it gets the negative charge. So here you can see a pair of bonding electron will transfer completely from one atom to another atom. So here in this case there is a complete transfer of electron which is present on the second bond to B. Atom takes electron get negative charge and the other atom get a positive charge. Again you can see the B gets negative charge because there is a complete transfer of electron, and A get the positive charge because the electrons are transferred from A to B. The electrons which are shared by both A and B are now completely transferred to the B, which is present in the double bond. Here you can see the example of electromagnetic effect. A and B have double bond. It can be double bonded compound also, or it may be triple bonded compound also. For both these triple and double bond, this electromagnetic effect will show. So here you can see reagent added. Reagent means the electrophilic reagent. Electrophile or electrophilic reagents are those reagents which have electron deficiency and they will have positive charge. So when the electrophilic reagent is added, the A get the positive charge and B get the negative charge. But in case if reagent or electrophile is removed, again this double bond will form and you will get the AB double bonded molecule. So means it is a reversible reaction. If the reagent is added, it will produce the electromagnetic effect. If the reagent was removed, then again you will get the initial reactant. So here you can see the definition. It causes the temporary polarization in the substrate molecule with double or triple bond by the shifting of electron pair from one atom to another under the influence of electrophilic reagent. This effect is called as electromagnetic effect. So here you can see temporary polarization means the temporary induction of both positive and negative charge in a compound. So here you can see in the substrate molecule who are having double or triple bond will convert into the polarized molecule. Polarized molecule, here you can see the example. Both A and B have now positive and negative charge, and this happened because the shift of electron pair from one atom to another under the influence of electrophilic reagent. So when the reagent is added, this one of the bond which is present in this double bond will break and the electrons will completely transfer to this B. So here A will have positive charge and B will have a negative charge. So this is all called as electromagnetic effect. Here you can see the diagram also. This is the carbon and this is the pi electron. Pi electrons means the another double bond. So here this is the sigma electron and this is the pi electron. Pi electron will form the other bond. So one bond sigma bond and another pi bond. So here electrophilic reagent or plus E. Plus E means the electrophilic reagent which has electron deficiency. So here you can see the electromeric effect is shown by this compound. So the electrophilic reagent here plus E will attract towards the pi electrons. So this pi electrons, it is completely shifted to the carbon. Here you can see on this carbon, this is the pi electron, and the electrophile will attract this pi electron. So here you can see the pi electrons are shifted, and this is a temporary effect. If you will remove this electrophile, again this pi electrons will shared between these two carbon. So means it is a reversible reaction. It only depends on the presence of electrophilic reagent. If this reagent is present, it will produce electromeric effect. But if the reagent was removed, again you will get the initial substrate with double bond.
Dear students, if you found this video useful, then tap the like button and subscribe my channel to get latest update of my other videos.